kind of fun because you like melt into it. Oh, now I can feel it pressing up. So I think I'd have to be able to relax my muscles more in order to allow it to relax. Like it can't do its job if I'm tense. Okay, yeah, I could get used to this. And it has a timer, like a 15-minute sleep timer. Hi, sweetie, what do you think? Ooh, okay, I like this. It's hard to demonstrate enjoying it, but it just feels like a rise and fall, but much slower. And the pressure just relieves on the vertebrae. I like when it goes down.